Hi guys, welcome to a new video. This is a really short video. It's only going to be about a minute long. It's about my calendar. I did another video before of news on my channel I was being joined by my two friends, which I'm being joined by again.
What's up?
Hello. You can tell by the voices on girl. Like Sammy, normal guys. Yeah. So the only reason I'm doing this video is because I just realized what I said in my other video for the calendar of what videos I'm going to do. I realized it's too much. I can't do that much. So now I'm just going to be doing on Wednesday survival, Friday tutorial, and Saturday Sunday just random videos with my friends. I could be being joined by Siraj Zahir. Check out his channel, Siraj Zahir. Be joined by D Gaming and Harris Plays. So check out their channels as well. I don't know how to put a link in the description right now, so it won't be there. But yeah, that's pretty much all I wanted to say in this video. So if unfortunately it is the end of this video, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.